Hi everyone and welcome on my channel. My name is Linda and today I'll show you guys two different kinds of salads. It's getting quite hot here in Switzerland, so I normally just grab a salad with me to work as lunch. And yeah, normally I prepare a salad in the morning before I get up. Well, you can prepare it like the evening before, or you can do it like me and prepare it before you leave your home. Anyway, let's go!
The first recipe I show you today is Caprese Salad. We need tomatoes, mozzarella, red onion, handful basil leaves, salt, black pepper, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Start by cutting the tomatoes into smaller bites. Don't forget to remove the greenish part because I read somewhere that it might be carcinogenic. Cut the onions into thin slices. Cut the mozzarella into smaller bites. If you are using buffalo mozzarella, cut them carefully because they tend to leak the inner cream. Arrange all of it nicely on a plate and just tear the basil and strew them all over your dish. Season with salt and black pepper. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and olive oil and voila! The next salad is a Tex Mex inspired salad, and this one is perfect if you've got leftovers in your fridge. What you always will have to add to give it like a Tex Mex flavor are avocados, corn and red kidney beans. What you have to do is just cut all the vegetables into smaller pieces or slices. Now we only have to prepare the sauce. So I take 1 spoon of vinegar and 2 spoons of olive oil and mix it with black pepper and salt. Add it to your salad and you're done!
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought. Oh, sorry, basil. He's my new friend.
Say hi!
Oh, anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will see us next time. Bye, guys.